In this lecture, we are going to access the state as well as we are going to dispatch this update user role action. For that, I will come to update role.jsx. Inside this select field, we have to pass on change event handler. Let me come to admin dashboard, all users. Now, I will be clicking on edit. If I change the values, you can see nothing will be changed. So here, I will be passing on change event handler. Function name, I will pass handle change. Now copy this function, scroll up. Below this, I will be creating the function, and inside this I will access my setter function set form. I will copy and here I will be pasting. While updating, I also need to access username and email. So I'm just going to destructure complete form data, inside which I will have name, email and role. And after accessing, what I have to do, I will access e.target.name, for which I'm just going to assign e.target.value. So using this, I will access the field name, and for every input field and for this select, we have passed the name attribute. So using this, I am telling access the name field, and whatever value we are typing successfully, it should be displayed to the user. Now come here, I will select admin. You can see I am able to change the role. But here and here, if I type, nothing will be happening because we have passed read only, and also we are not firing on change event handler. After doing this, for this form, I will be passing on submit event handler, inside which I will pass the function name as handle submit. Copy. Below this, I will be creating. And first thing, whenever we are working with form, we have to prevent default submission of form. So here I will be writing e.prevent default. And inside this, I have to dispatch my update user role action. Hit enter. This will be imported. And inside this, what data I have to pass? I have to pass user ID. Okay, exact same name we are passing while fetching the parameter. So that is the reason inside this function I have passed same name. Second, I have to pass role, and I have already destructured role. So here directly I will be passing role. And for this also we are having same key. So only once I'm just going to pass. Now below this I'm just going to handle error and success messages. I will open home.jsx. From here, I will copy this, and inside this, I will be pasting. Here, I will just check if success is true, then copy toast message, paste it here. Instead of error, I will be passing success, and here I will write user role updated successfully. And instead of remove errors, I'm just going to dispatch this remove success. And from admin slice, I'm just going to import. If I'm having any errors, then accordingly error will be shown, and I'm just going to dispatch this remove errors from admin slice. Remove last letter for toast, hit enter, as well as okay, use effect we have already imported, and inside this dependency array, I will also pass success. In this way, we will handle error and success message. Now I will come to output. For Sita, I will just change to admin. Click on this edit, change to admin, click on update role. I am having user role updated successfully. Now inside the form, I am having admin. Let me refresh once. Okay, it is changing back to user. I will come back, and inside this table also, we are having user. Let us come to admin slice. Inside this update role, we are passing role, and here directly I have passed the role. Instead, we have to wrap inside curly braces. In this way, if you are passing, only then role can have either admin or user. Now come to project, click on this edit. I will change to admin. Click on update role. I am having the message. Now I will refresh. Now still you can see in my form I am having admin. Now if I go back for Sita, role is nothing but admin. But what I want, as soon as my role is updated, I should be redirected to this route. So inside this update role.jsx, below this, I will be creating one variable navigate. And for this, I'm just going to assign use navigate hook. Copy this navigate and inside this success, below this, I will be passing. And where I should redirect to admin/users. Now save. Click on this. I will change back to user. Click on update role. User role is updated successfully and I am redirected to admin users. And for Sita, I have given the role as user. Successfully, we are able to fetch complete user information and based on the user ID, we are able to fetch single user information and we are able to update that user role